This video tutorial I will cover Spring Expression Language method invocation. Using Spring Expression Language, we can execute the method and inject the method return value into the property of the class. Here I have defined the class address. It has three properties: street, city and state. Street value will be injected as A220 Bridge Apartment, and city value will be injected as Chennai. State value will be injected as Tamil Nadu, and it has getter and setter methods for these three properties. Here you can see get full address method. This method returns concatenated values of street, city and state. And in address class, I have applied at component annotation. Name of the bean is address. Here I have defined a class employee, and it has three properties: ID, name and full address. ID value will be injected as 100, name value will be injected as Peter. In full address property, I have applied expression language. Here I am calling get full address method of address object. So this method will be called, and concatenated values of street, city and state will be injected to full address property of employee. This is a Spring configuration file, and here I have enabled auto component scanning for this package. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee object from Spring container and displaying the employee object. Here you can see the output. Here you can see the employee object details.